This is how I feed my family. This is how I feed my family. I thought because maybe you are a low-key girl, you will look out for me, you'll have my back the same way I have your back. No, I didn't know that you actually want me to be dead. I didn't know that you actually want me to be dead, you. This is wrong, guys. Like, this is wrong. I've been quiet. She did so much and I've been quiet. The last conversation we had, you wanted to stay in my house with my man while I'm leaving. How do you stay in my house with my man while I'm leaving? If I'm leaving, you should be leaving also. Why would I want to leave you in my house with my man? You got angry because I said, no, you can't stay in my house while my man is there now. I'm not there. So you got angry. You said I treated you bad. No, babe, it's principles. How do you stay in someone's house while her man is there? And it's just the two of you in the house. What do you want to be doing? What do you want to be doing? That's how you got angry? You got angry because of that? I even got you a job because I can see that, firstly, you got jealous because we went out and I said it in the car. I said, you know what's funny? The attention is going to be on me tonight. And I said it out of confidence because I knew how I was looking. Remember that day when we left Betrayal? All white. We went to booth. When we got outside in the car, I said, yo, today attention is going to be on me because I'm feeling confident. And for real, when we got inside the club, attention was on me.
You manifest.
Like, I manifest everything good that happens in my life. It's about me and it's about me only. I don't care about anyone. I don't look at someone's life and start comparing myself with someone's life. I manifest good things for myself.
And you built this brand from Matomo.
From scratch, it was all me, guys. Like, honestly, you see, we are scared to have friends because of such people. You come into my life, you become jealous. You become jealous. If I tell people the things that you did to me right now, all of them, you will faint wherever you are. You will faint wherever. Even all those friends that you have there, they will see that you're an evil person. That you're an evil person. Go and pay your cousin. Your cousin can't even afford things because you owe her money. Your cousin, you owe her money. Go and give her money. I called your cousin to tell her that what you did. She says, you don't know. She gave me a lowdown of you. I called your brothers. All of them, they gave me lowdown. It's been 3 weeks. You have not seen your kids. Go home. They can't even get hold of you. Go home. It's wrong what you're doing, Lesego Tala. It's wrong what you're doing. Repent. Seek God. Heal inside. Every day I must hear stories. You did this, you did this, you did this, you scammed my client, you scammed this, you scammed this one. Listen, Doro Skin is me. Spirit Sabantanyana is me. I plugged you with this business. You see what TK did? When she was a distributor, she went to start her own with her own name. She never even used my name. Why can't you be like TK? Why can't you be like TK, who starts her own name there and move forward with her life? Now you're busy spreading rumors about me. Babe, social media right now, it does not care about Doro Mongy because Doro Mongy does not have content. Right now you're giving them content. You're giving them content, Wena. Leave Doro Skin. Leave Sipiri Sabontanyana. Do Lesego Skin. Do LSG Skin. Do your own. Do your own. Yes, you have the formula. Do it. Why can't you do it? Why can't you do it? You can never be me. All the clothes that I bought, you're still wearing them today. You can't even go and buy new clothes. Because of how you are. You're a bad person, babe. You're a bad person. You're a bad person.